Okay guys, welcome back. Week 2. Made it through the first week of home learning, so that's good. So this should be much easier because you kind of already have an idea of how things work. Teachers are starting to feel more comfortable about things and how they work. So hopefully it'll be a little less stressful than it was last week. A couple things I just wanted to talk about. First thing was, if you haven't already, you might want to download the Microsoft Teams app to your computer. It's supposed to make Teams function better than using it through the internet. Obviously not required, but just something you might want to consider. If you just search for what I did for my daughter, I just searched Microsoft Teams app, and it was one of the first links that came up, and I just clicked download, and it downloaded to my computer. Well, it downloaded to her computer. Okay, so this week we just want to look at daily assignments. So you're going to complete the daily assignments. You can work ahead. All of them will open on Monday. They're due on Sunday. You can do some on Tuesday and then work on some on Wednesday. It's just kind of at your own pace. Just make sure you get them to me before Sunday. Every day you have to log in and do the attendance quiz. That's required if you want to be counted present. Okay, I did go through and I took out the team members, that's you guys, and then I uploaded you again. So I'm hoping that will make the questions and concerns channel work again. If you try that and it doesn't work, can you send me an email so I know I need to put in a ticket or create a new channel? Maybe something glitched with that channel, I don't know. Just let me know. Your achieves, I did put your achieve grades in last week. They definitely can be changed for 100%. They're not due until April 2nd. I just wanted you to know which ones, because it had been such a long time, which ones you had completed and which ones you haven't completed. So just look at that, check focus. They are due April 2nd by midnight. Okay, so it's Thursday night to finish. Okay, so Monday, your assignment is to go to the ebook. You can get the science book now on Blended Learning, and I'll show you guys. Page 116 to 127. Read those pages, and you're going to click the quiz that's in the assignment. It's not a quiz grade. It's multiple choice, so hopefully there won't be any problems with the grading. It's just as you read, you click to read the book, then click back into the form, like have 2 tabs open, and just answer the questions, just so I know you read it. And let me show you. So you go to the Blended Learning page, click this right here, and it'll open you into your single sign-on. And then when you get on the book, it should look like this. Here's where you do the units. Okay, we're in chapter 3. Lesson 3, severe weather. But if you're gonna, and that takes you to some of the resources, but the ebook right here is what you want to click on. And we're on page 116. So this is what you should be looking at, this lesson right here. Okay, so you can believe that you have Monday to Sunday to work on that quiz. The assignment for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday is a PowerPoint. You need to do 12 slides. You're just going to do it in one view. So go to PowerPoint online or PowerPoint in one view, and make sure you share it with me. I don't have to edit it, just share it with me. Many of you guys did that with your vocabulary. It worked out well. And you're just going to do 3 slides on a famous hurricane. 3 slides, you just pick some of these questions to answer, but just basically you're doing 3 slides about thunderstorms, 3 slides about tornadoes, how do you prepare for them, what would you do if you were caught in the storm. Not all these questions apply to every topic. These are just some of the questions you can use to give me information about thunderstorms and tornadoes, etc. Okay, and then Friday's assignment, it's a sun protection flyer. So you're just basically creating a flyer that someone would hang on the wall, like in the doctor's office, just to inform people that they need to use sunscreen or wear hats, stuff like that. So you're going to read page 127 in the book, or just use the internet to search. You have two methods you can submit. You can either go to Word Online in OneView and create a flyer in there. It's a little more difficult because you're having to move pictures and things like that. If you're good with that, then that's good. Or you could just get a piece of typing paper, construction paper, any kind of paper at home, draw it. You can hand draw it. You can always just take a picture of it and send it to me in Remind or email. So if you take a picture with your phone, I know that will upload right into Remind if you have Remind app on your phone. And it sends it through Remind. I don't see your phone number or anything. Okay, so you're just answering these questions and have at least 2 pictures. Just make sure you have that to me by Sunday. So all 3 of these assignments are due. You can start working on them all on Monday, and they're due on Sunday of next week. Okay, I think that was it. If you have any questions, email me, send me a Remind message. That's been really working. Hopefully I'm getting back to you fast enough. Try the chat to see if that's working. If it's not working, I'm going to have to figure something out. Just make another channel or something. But okay, well, you guys have a good week.